Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can connect your Namecheap domain onto your Shopify website. So on Namecheap here, I'm going to have, for example, this coolshirts.inc. I haven't bought this, but I'm just going to use it as an example. Once you have that, copy and paste it on your Shopify admin dashboard. Let's go onto here, settings with the gear icon, and then go to here, domains. On domains, you can see you can buy new domain directly from Shopify, or you can just connect existing domains which you have bought. The domain we have is the one we've bought on Namecheap as well. So let's just connect the existing domain. I'm going to copy and paste the domain right there, coolshirts.inc. Next, but I haven't bought this domain, so let's just follow the settings instructions. But if I press that, it won't really do anything since I haven't bought it. But if you have bought it, just follow the instructions from here on out and you should have your domain connected within seconds.